Anyway, guys, it's Sangana Pisangoselo. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like, comment, say happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. So, guys, it's Yakala Lapanago Zanganiza's Temple. For those who don't know, it's Zanganiza's Temple next week. It is their last episode, guys. And people are already calling out it's Zanganiza's Temple production team not to come back for season 4 because they gave us nothing. So, people are saying, go to no, man, they don't see the reason why they should come back. Their reality show, it is boring, and people are saying go to the only person who really carried the show all season is this temple. It is the Thirelo and the Amahle. So people are saying what's when it comes back as for Mpumelelo, we know his storyline. Every year he will bring a new girlfriend. Same thing happened in season 1 when he brought Uterelo. Season 2 it was Nosipho, and then paying damage Mpumelelo, and then now on season 3 it is Amahle, guys. At least this time he went as far as marrying Amahle. He has a wife right now. Let's just give him his flowers, guys. At least he's trying. So people are saying, oh, no, man, this show is now boring. Hopefully Utan on the same way they're gonna give us more drama. I don't know, guys. Let's wait and see. But anyway, guys, so yesterday is Nganiza's temple. Uterelo giving advice to Amahle, guys. The girlfriend giving advice to the first wife, to the wife. Do you still remember on season 2, guys, when Vuyokazi told Uterelo to be very careful in Mpumelelo? She said we experience people different. Now she's trying to scare Amahle away. Why can't she let this girl be and allow her to express Mpumelelo for herself? She's trying so hard to discourage Amahle, guys. One thing I've noticed in Guatemala, she's trying so hard to try to get rid of Amahle, guys. The same thing Uvuyokazi was trying to warn her about Mpumelelo. She couldn't take it last year. She was very rude to Uvuyokazi, saying that Uvuyokazi act like Umamkhulo Mjola. Now she's doing the same thing to Amahle. And when it comes to Amahle, she's a wife. She's not the girlfriend. This was telling Amahle to just enjoy her relationship, finish her studies and get a job. She went on to say she doesn't know why Uterelo is always excluding herself for Gules Temple some Mjolo wabo, guys, because she's part of the Mjolo. So yesterday as they were talking, Amahle was telling Uterelo what she wants to meet this singer back. Uterelo went on to say she needs to talk to Mpumelelo, guys. But when in the other section, she was like she doesn't like the girlfriend Mpumelelo to meet her son. She has met Zingani Vuyokazi, guys. She even took pictures, even posted on her Instagram story. So Yena right now it's so hard for Singabaku to meet Amahle, guys. I do understand that she's a mother, she's trying to protect her son. But one thing about Amahle, guys, is she's a wife. So people have noticed Uterelo, she's very toxic. She's trying so hard to get rid of Amahle, guys. One thing about Amahle, she's aware what's going on. And people have noticed hi man, karma came early for her. How she not wanted to make Uvuyokazi feel like Mamkhulo. Now she wants Amahle to respect her. Like she act as if for Amahle she's not dating Mpumelelo, guys. She's not marrying to Mpumelelo, guys. The way she's acting is like ngathi Amahle uyi girlfriend, uyi side chick, yena ungu Mamkhulo right now. So anyway, guys, and people will say hi man, Uterelo needs to be humble, needs to calm down. It's not that deep. You are not the wife, you are still the baby mama ya Mpumelelo. Allow Amahle to enjoy her relationship in peace. It's not everything that you need to say. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.